So, off out. Oh, look at my suntan mark. And I've just dropped the makeup down me. So I've just rubbed it with a wet wipe. I'm hoping that will dry. Just doing a quick makeup. So I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. Right, I'm using Vita Liberata Beauty Blur. But it's the Skin Tone Optimiser. I'm going to mix that with my Lumine, actually, in dark. Which is a really nice sheer base. I'm going to throw it on with my hands. I will have to bronze that, look at it. So I am going out with Sarah tonight, my partner, because she's over from the Scilly Isles, and my dear friends, Babette and Esmeralda. And we're going to a local new restaurant that's open called Rockwater, which is on the beach in Hove. They've got a gorgeous roof terrace, so we're going to go and try that out. Let's hope it's as gorgeous as it looks. Right, so done that. Can't bear looking at my chest, so let's just get some bronzer on there straight away. Hoola Bronzer is amazing. Put that on there. Okay. Just taking it down a bit, isn't it? Add some to your neck. Always add some to your neck. Neck never sees the sun under there, does it? And anyway, I've got to pin the dress slightly next to each other. Right, okay. I've got a tiny little mark there, so I'm going to just cover that up. Right, and I'm going to put some bronzer on. Some hard Hoola bronzer on my... Just going to go for a nice red lip. Very simple. It's too hot to faff. Let me have a look. I'll go for, let me see my red lips. I'm going to go for this one, which is my Lord & Berry in Vogue. Nice, isn't it? Okay, let's dab that in. Remember, we dab under the eyes, any concealer. We don't swipe, because otherwise you're just wiping it all off. Or what we do use is foundation brush. Okay, like that. I've just done a tutorial on my hair actually, so you can see that. Okay, let's just put a little bit more bronzy. Let's do the cheeks. Always love a red lip and a red cheek. Brows, let's get the old fave on, which is my, where's it gone? Oh, let's do this first. This is my WhatsApp highlighter. Love. A little bit there. And a little bit there. Look at that. Gorgeous colour that, look. And then my brows. I'm going to use my Gimme Brow by Benefit. It's the tiniest little wand in the world, and it's got colour on it. So good and so convenient. Look, see the difference? And don't get me wrong, I do love doing a pencil sometimes because you get that really neat finish. But I don't know, sometimes when you've got a red lip, you don't want anything else to be that structured, because the red lip is the one doing all the talking. Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. Yep, I'm a massive Benefit fan. Okay, love this mascara. Yep, see, it gets right into the roots. God, I am sweltering. Not moaning. Okay, and then a little bit of that. A little bit of that. Done. Of course, I draw it all up in my gorgeous signature. No, not signature. This is my vegan bag, not my signature bag. In the blush pink, the red lip. Nice and tidy, especially when you're in a rush like I am. Right, I'll show you what the dress looks like in a minute. Bye.